Hello, my name is Edvinas, and today I will show you how to manage your Moodle course. First of all, you have to have to go to your course, and here you have your Moodle course environment. There are some blocks in the left and right, and there are in the center your Moodle course content. But first, I would like to show you how to edit some of your course settings. So we have our general blocks where we have two required inputs: course full name, course short name. These have to be unique. And there are some other options. For example, course category. If this course is visible, show or hide. Course start date. It can be your course starting date, for example, when semester begins. You can have course description, course summary files, and course format. We have in 2.6 Moodle for course format, weekly format, topics, social, and single activity format. Weekly format is, as you saw before in my course, are separated in the weeks. Here we have topics format when your course is separated in topics. Then social format when your course is only is created only with forums, and single activity format when you have only single activity, for example, some page, some test, or forum, and you can specify this as your whole Moodle course. You can select number of sections, for example, from 0 to 52 net, and there will be these sections shown in your course main page. Appearance, language, new items to show, show activity reports if you want. Then file and uploads. Here you see the site upload limit shown in the previous video. And here you can assign only how big files can be when your students wants to upload something for your activities or maybe for their own files. Guest access, if you want to allow some guests, or you can allow some guests but add some password for them or without password. There of course are groups and role renaming. You can rename some roles from default manager to add some others. For now I will click cancel and go to my course front page. Here I have blocks, of course, in the left and right corner, and course content. If I click button turn editing on, I will be able to edit all my course, and there will be some blocks editings. If you see some course topics I can edit, and of course I can add a block. If I click add, I have some options to add some blocks. For example, I can click calendar block, and there will be a calendar block on the bottom. Of course, I can drag it to the, for example, right, and that block should be moving to the right. Or no, because I think in my browser there are some, oh yeah, something went wrong. I can move these blocks in my order. If I want, I can of course remove some blocks. If I click edit button, I can configure, hide, assign, or delete recent activity blocks. For example, I don't need recent activity block. I can simply delete it and click yes. After that, I can add this block. But for example, in that case, I will not need that block. So and that way you can edit all your blocks. Then you can add an activity or resource to your course. There are few topics, and in each of them I can add an activity and resource. There are a lot of resources that you can add, for example, chat, database, forum, workspace, workshop, and resources. For example, page, label, file, and a few of them I will show you in the next video. And in that case, you can add some files, folders, I can of course add a file, and if I click add, I can just select, just write name, description, and file. And if I want to return to my course, I can click my course link. So, activities block settings, of course I can add users. And there are some enrollment options where you can specify how users will come to your course. So I can click enrolled users and we'll see users that are in my course. In this example, I don't have any users, and can click enroll users and we'll see all the users in my Moodle site. In that case, I have only one user, admin user, and I can add this user as a student, manager, teacher, or auditing teacher. For example, I can select student, click enroll, and that user will be enrolled as a student. Of course, if I want to remove it, I can click that X icon, and that user will be removed. So that's it for course management, and in the next video I will show you how to work with your files. So thanks for watching.